whoa. Bring it in. Be careful now.
Still there?
Don't stop throwing it.
Oh yeah. Lift straight up. Hold the rod that way. Oh, that's a wee little bit. Oh, there's a fish on now. It hit it on the way in. Back up a bit.
Don't put your hand in there. Don't let it get too far. Okay, now get real. Don't wait for it. You let your leave your reel in.
I don't know if it's still there, Kate.
Miss.
Oh, we lost this one. Shitty. Let's see.
And this one.
Shit. You get it out of there? Get one. It's... Still there?
Think so. This was close. Come on. I can't be this good. No, he's gone. Oh, he's gone.
Okay.
Lift up a bit.
Got him? That's a better fish. In front of us? Nope.
I don't want to pull you in.
Oh, long line release.
There it is. Don't throw the rod in the water. No. Stop does that.
Almost.
3 strikes, you're out. You know that.
Still there. Littler one, but it's a fish.
You're right.
Lift it straight up. Yeah, it's a big pink. Yeah, big one. Holy shit.
Oh. Another pink. Is he still there?
I'll take the rod. You can have the fish.
Throw it back. Are you going to throw it back or play with it? You're patting it.
Yeah, there's another one. Come on, get going. That's better. He's off already.
Whoa!
Is he going?
He doesn't like this at all.
He's going towards the middle of the boat. Yeah. That's a go. Looks like I'm pulling a rod over my head. That's better. Oh, that's a biggie.
See? Huh? Oh, that's a nice one.
God, you can something small on it. Yeah, I think it's something small though. You got it?
Your ball game all over.
You just kind of watch where we're going, Clayton, so I can. You got it. Gonna pop the flasher in a second minute. There you go. Just kind of go to the front middle of the boat. Oh, it's a rockfish. Rockfish. Yeah, he's gonna fall right in. Are you still in the rigger?
Yeah.
Not sure. Let's have a look. Let me feel.
Oh, he's on there, isn't he?
Yeah, I think it's off there. Let him run, let him run. When you get close, you gotta stand in the middle.
Oh, he's right there.
Yep, stand in the middle and then work him this way. Bring him up and over my head. Pull him that way now. You got her. Start cranking her, bud. You got her? I don't think so. You want to turn just that way a bit?
Don't tangle up my hook now.
Go there, you think? No. Good try, buddy. That was at 80 feet, too.
Right one.
Got one. Come on. He just bit it on the way up. I was almost on the surface. Oh.
Spit it out as soon as
He's on. He's a big one. Let him run if he needs to run. I thought I heard him take him down. Stand that way, Ben. Keep going. First we'll bring the run this way, though.
You gonna let us hold you in the water? Is Grandpa to help? Huh?
He's a nice one. You can, buddy.
You're trying.
You can.
Trying.
I can't see him. You gotta go that way with the rod.
Bend your rod way over. That's it.
Okay.
That's the one.
TTR 230 or something. You get her?
Okay, now he's gonna decide.
Just gotta move to your right just a bit after so you can get You're gonna drive in circles, Caleb?
Huh?
You're just driving winding, go winding. Right here, bring it my way. Just tangle the shit out of everything, you bastard.